I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Lebara to Otwo, follow these straightforward steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Request a PAC code. Contact Lebara to request your porting authorization code PAC. You can do this via the customer service number or through their app. Step 2. Sign up with Otwo. Once you have your PAC code, go to Otwo's website or visit a store to sign up for a new plan. Make sure to provide your PAC during the sign-up process. Step 3. Provide your details. Fill in your personal details, including your current number and the PAC code. Double-check that you entered everything correctly to avoid delays. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your details, Otwo will process your request. You should receive a confirmation message about the transfer timeline, usually within a few hours to a day. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Before activation, use the com link in the description to open the SIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Switching your number doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, and you will be enjoying your new Otwo service in no time.